My video guide is about removing fake and scary alerts that come from the website Mcaffeeantivlrusservice.ml. This is a misleading pop-up. It claims to be related to some decent security program, but it is not. This is a fake alert that typically attacks the browser as a result of some adware to be enabled in the computer. If you see these pop-ups on your computer screen, you should disregard all their misleading and faulty messages. Do not download or install anything that these pop-ups suggest. If you see these pop-ups, you need to realize that they are the result of some adware on your system. The website tries to trick you into clicking on this special proceed button integrated into it. But to click on this button is absolutely risky, and that's a serious mistake. If you do that, you will be forwarded to some other junk resources, and you may be forced to download and install some potentially unwanted software. I recommend you to carefully research the control panel of your computer, and if you find any suspicious programs here on the list, get rid of them. I also recommend you to examine your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, and the best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. So use this green button to download the software, install the program, and begin researching your device with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.